Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Karen Vanessa Duel Herrera y el día de hoy voy a realizar el parcial de pronunciación inglesa 2, primer corte. Iniciamos. Rain, rainstorm, teacher, remember. Are you there? We are remembering the words. Table, pencil, cable. My uncle is fixing the table. The children are using the pencil. Wish, English, dish. She finishes to wash the dishes. English class is easy. Yale, June, yellows. Sheep, seen, this. It is beautiful sheep. She is wearing seats. Roof, pole, go. The teacher brings the wood. There is a pool on the roof. Violin, love. Violin, love. 11. They buy various violins. This is the best movie ever. Horse, happy. Whole. My sister finished the homework. The horse finished the race. Stop, snake, study. The students go to school. She studied at the stadium. Are you from Spain? Crying. You, staying. Why are you walking? You are enjoying the plane. Eat. Startup. Bottom. I love the 3000. I bought them.